Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to block all ads, or rather, advertisements on your iPhone. So with this one, I'm going to help you to block all of your ads on your games, on your movies. For example, you're browsing in Safari, and don't quote me on this, but let's just hope it also blocks your ads on YouTube, okay? But I'm not quite sure about that. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is hop on settings right here. Let me just get back to settings. Now this should be your landing page. Now the very first step I want you to do is go to General tab right there, click on Software Update, make sure we have the best iOS version available. And right now I have 16.6. If you have a larger one or a more advanced one rather, please update it and you should see iOS is up to date at the very bottom part, okay? Now next one is please hop on to Safari. With this one, this should be your landing page in Safari, and then just type in Luna ad block. Give me a second right there. This one should be the result. Now, you're gonna have two results right here. The one with the sponsored version and the one without the sponsored version. Don't be afraid, they're just the same. So click either one. I'm gonna go with the sponsored one. Now with this one, you're gonna see install for iOS, right? If you click on this one, you'll be redirected on the install page, which is gonna be this one right here. I installed it earlier, so just install it. Input your year to verify your age, and then click on this one right here. Download the ad block, right? And then if you download it, you'll be directed to your settings. Click on settings right there, and you'll see this profile downloaded. Click on it, and then simply install the application here. Once installed, you'll have no more the advertisement or ad block, right? I'm sorry, ads on your phone. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.